Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Professional Inventory Tracker, an all-in-one tool designed to help you organize and manage every stage of your inventory workflow, from tracking products, materials, suppliers, purchases, and sales, to monitoring inventory levels, profitability, and business performance through an interactive dashboard. Whether you're a small business owner, Etsy seller, or managing inventory for a growing business, this spreadsheet gives you the insights you need to stay organized and make informed decisions. Please note that I'm always updating my templates to improve and optimize them, so this video may not reflect the most recent changes. Be sure to check the Instructions tab for the latest features, updates, and guidance. If you don't have the tracker yet, it's available in my Etsy shop. There's also a link in the description below. All right, let's get started. There are 7 tabs in this spreadsheet. The Instructions tab is the first tab, and it provides you with step-by-step guidelines, so take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. At the top are key guidelines covering compatibility, protected tabs and formulas, and where to find answers to the most common questions. The tutorial section gives you access to this video, as well as a link to a fully filled out sheet for reference. The rest of the instructions walks you through how to use each tab, so remember to read through everything here before beginning. The Suppliers tab stores contact information for the vendors you purchase inventory from. Simply enter each supplier's name, contact information, address, and any notes you'd like to keep for future reference. The supplier names entered here can be selected throughout the workbook, helping keep your purchasing information consistent. The total purchases, total amount, and average shipping cost columns automatically populate based on information entered elsewhere in the sheet. The KPI cards at the top provide a quick summary of your suppliers, including total suppliers, active suppliers, total purchases, average shipping dates, and your top supplier. The Setup tab allows you to customize the spreadsheet to match your business. Start by entering your preferred currency symbol. This will automatically update prices, costs, and totals throughout the workbook. Next, customize your inventory categories. These categories are used throughout the spreadsheet and automatically populate drop-down menus in the inventory, incoming and outgoing tabs. For each category, assign an inventory type, such as product or material. This automatically applies whenever that category is selected. You can also customize your purchase statuses, sales statuses, and stock statuses to match your workflow. Finally, the emoji bank contains optional emojis you can copy and paste throughout the spreadsheet if you'd like to personalize your labels and statuses. The Inventory tab is where you'll manage all of your products and materials. Begin by entering each inventory item along with its SKU, category, initial stock, minimum quantity, unit cost, sale price, preferred vendor, and any notes. When you select a category, the inventory type automatically populates based on the Setup tab. The profit and margin columns calculate automatically using your unit cost and sale price. As inventory is received or sold, the on-hand quantity updates automatically to reflect current stock levels. The status column then updates automatically to show whether each item is in stock, low stock, or out of stock. The KPI cards summarize your current inventory, including total stock, stock cost, inventory value, potential profit, and overall profit margin. Use the Highlight Item dropdown in the upper right corner to quickly locate a specific product within your inventory list. The Outgoing tab tracks customer orders, sales, revenue, shipping, costs, and profitability. For each order, enter the order date, ship date, invoice number, item, quantity sold, unit sale price, discount, tax, shipping, other customer charges, unit cost, other cost, and order status, as well as any notes. If an order contains multiple items, use the same invoice number for each item. Invoice numbers are used to calculate total orders in the dashboard. Discounts are entered as percentages and are automatically deducted before tax is calculated. Shipping and other costs only need to be entered once per invoice, allowing your total revenue and total cost to accurately match the customer invoice without duplicating charges. The subtotal, total revenue, total cost, profit, and margin calculate automatically, giving you an instant view of the profitability of every sale. Use the status column to track each order from placement through delivery, returns, or calculations. The KPI cards at the top summarize your sales activity, including total orders, units sold, total revenue, total profit, and average shipping days. Use the Highlight Item dropdown to instantly locate a specific product within the table. The dashboard provides a high-level overview of your inventory and sales performance. At the top, you'll find stock summaries, inventory value, sales metrics, searchable item statistics, and key business insights. Below that are charts and tables showing inventory by category, monthly revenue and profit trends, revenue by category, inventory status, sales by status, monthly orders, top selling products, and out-of-stock items. Several sections include filters. The sales overview lets you enter a start date and end date to view sales metrics for a specific period. Leave both fields blank to display all time results. The Search Sales by Item section allows you to choose a date range and a specific inventory item to view detailed sales statistics for that product. The monthly revenue and profit trend and monthly orders charts each include a year selector, so you can quickly compare performance across different years. As you continue using the workbook, the dashboard updates automatically, giving you real-time snapshot of your inventory, purchasing, and sales activity. This tracker brings your suppliers, purchases, inventory, and sales together in one workbook, helping you save time and make smarter business decisions. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for things to cover, reach out on Etsy and let me know. If you found this video to be helpful to you, also let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to be notified when more videos like this come out, hit subscribe. Cheers and have a great day.